To manipulate a fraction, multiply it by a unit fraction. For example, 3/4 can be changed to its equivalent forms as follows. In general, when manipulating a fraction, if you multiply the numerator by a certain number n, you must also multiply the denominator by n. Similarly, if you divide the numerator by n, you should also divide the denominator by n. This rule applies to all simplifications of fractions. To simplify, 5/3 minus 13/12. Multiply it by the unit fraction of its LCM. Multiply the fractions by 12, and then simplify the result. Let us simplify the following. The LCM of the fractions is 84. Multiply each fraction by 84. Afterward, divide all by 84. When dividing two or more fractions, ensure that every whole number has a denominator of 1 to prevent errors. The division before a fraction turns into multiplication, and the fraction is inverted. So we have 3/4 times 1/2 times 3/2 times 1/3 times 3/5. Thus, working out the multiplication, we have First of all, simplify the contents of the brackets. The fractions then become Thus, to simplify this, we have We simplify this as follows. By BODMAS, remove the inner brackets first. Please be aware that removing brackets can involve either simplifying the content within them, or distributing the number outside the brackets to each term within. Therefore, we proceed by multiplying each fraction within the brackets by the fraction that is multiplying the brackets. Hence, removing the brackets become Finally, we remove the outer brackets. To understand this lesson better, see the previous videos on lowest common multiples, BODMAS, simplification of positive and negative signs, and addition and subtraction of numbers.